Welcome, Spiro, Christoph, David, and Boss. Speak in Spanish or in English or in French?
Not French.
Portuguese.
Portuguese. Tá bom.
It's also official.
Tá bom. Tá bom. Vou falar português. Tá bom? No, that is very important for us because, as you know, the Inter-American system was from the beginning of the Inter-American system in the 80s, 19th century, very concerned by private international law. It's here that we created the International Code, etc., etc. And we have all the development of the CDIPs and now different model law. But you know, I know that private international law, and I said that because I came from the field of public international law, is not the front page of the newspaper. And that it's very difficult to work on the field of private international law in a political institution like the OAS. We are working, dealing with political issues continuously. And when we talk about private international law, we have the example when we talk about secure transaction, we need to explain each time what is that, or about the model law or the Convention on Consumer Protection, etc., etc. Those are issues that are not on the front page, but those are issues that are on the life of people every minute, and more. For me, it's more and more difficult to understand the difference between public and private international law and national and international law. More and more people are working, are traveling, are making international contracts when you buy a book by Amazon or when you make a reservation in another country. That's something very new in the world. More and more people are traveling, more and more father is in one country, mother in another, and the son is somewhere else. And I think that the OAS need to be involved again in the process of development of private international law, in the way of convention or in the way of model. And that's why it's very important to know what other organizations that cover regional of the world, like is the case of UNCITRAL, of the Hague Convention of Private International Law, to work together. And that's why we request people from the organization to explain to the people that represent the member state, the ones who will decide how can we improve the cooperation on the field of private international law. That is the field of the life of people. Thank you to be here, both of you, and of course